What's going on, everybody? Adam here, coming right back at you, and totally pumped. Back at the shop today. Bam! Freaking dropped a buttload of money on parts. We are getting into the thick of it. We've got brakes, we've got new calipers, we've got intake, a new Eldebrock intake, carb rebuild kit. I mean, just a whole lot of stuff. The new fuel takes in. Stuff to do for days now. We are gonna totally be just stuck right in on this. It's crazy. Philip right now is still working the wheels and tire situation with the whole, nation kind of on lockdown. We got to see what's going to be available for us and who to get them with the tires, but we may get stuck on that portion. That's a real possibility with just how everything's slowing down. So, but we also got some a new projects coming down the line here that I got an offer on the Corvette and doing a trade for it. Pretty excited. We'll be showing you that later this week, but for now, let's get stuck in on the Bronco, all right? So, whole bunch of things that I forgot to get for the front end of this thing, guys. I still got to get new brake lines for it. I forgot to pick up soft lines. I just had Phil order those up. Also, the worn hubs for the front of it. I don't want those plastic junkers anymore. We're gonna put some decent metal ones in there. All right. Let's see here. A couple other things I've got to get ordered up as well. Shocks. Oh man, I totally forgot about that. So 4 shocks per side in the front, and I'll show you too. One of the shocks wasn't even hooked up, guys. What the F, dude? Oh, wow. Yeah, the bottom is just like, how long was that going on? Oh, it's so sad. We're gonna keep on tearing it apart, but yeah, just ordering up some more parts. We won't be able to slap them all back together today because, obviously we're missing stuff. We want to get the shocks in there so we can place those, the new hub in, the brake line in, before we put on the new caliper, rotor, and the rest of that. So, whatever, we'll just tear it apart as we can and just keep on going and order stuff as we see fit, okay? Yep. All right, Stu, I got a question for you. Phil just supposed to be back saying that he can get the tires for $350 a piece coming from Pennsylvania, 110 on shipping. So we'll be looking at like 15, whatever, 10 for them for the set.
That's not bad.
So can't do anything about wheels though. So through them. So I'll have to freaking like run, I guess, through Summit or something like that for them. So
yeah.
But I don't know, what do you think? Do you think that's
300 some odd bucks a tire? That's not bad.
So it'll actually be
What size are they?
15, 35, 13, or 15s. 15, 35, 15. Super Swamper SXs.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's not a bad deal. That 110 for the whole set of 4 shipped, right?
Yeah, 110 for the whole set of 4 shipped. So we'll be looking at whatever, 320.
You're about 380 a tire roughly.
Yeah.
380, 390.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty standard. I mean, that's
So then we'll have to do wheels from somewhere else and then get them mounted. And I can't remember if they freaking balance those or not, with them being that wide.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
You have to talk to Tahima or Schwab or
yeah, see what they say. All right, well, looks like we'll give Phil the okay and go ahead and get those tires ordered up. All right, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Gonna have to wait now on parts to move forward, which is okay. We're gonna go pick those up from Phil tomorrow out of his Napa right after I get done with physical therapy, and then come back out here at the shop, dig into it some more. Also, we got the line on the tires, so that's good. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Back here. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do about the wheels. So I'm not sure. We'll have to see what's gonna be available. Phil's working that angle. Anyways, appreciate you guys. Go ahead, keep tuned, and we'll see you on the next one, okay?